Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about a program in Python using the function definition. So the program is about to print the biodata of a student. Let us see how to use the function for this biodata using the function definition statement. So now the Python code for this program is def personal underscore details within bracket and colon. This is the first line this is the first line of the any function in Python. The keyword def should be followed by the function name and then followed by the parameters. Now there is no parameter, so it is empty, and the function name is personal details. And the naming convention is when you have more than two words in a variable or a name of the function or anything, we are supposed to connect through the underscore. So personal underscore details, this is the name of the function. Now let us define the function. Name comma age is equal to Simon comma 19. So we know that comma operator helps to arrange the values in order. So now accordingly name is the first one, and for the name the value Simon is assigned, and comma age for the value is 19. So this is one assignment statement which assigns multiple values in using a single statement. And then we have another variable called address, which is equal to within double quotes Bangalore comma Karnataka comma India. Now we are giving the address as a string using the comma as the delimiter just to separate the words normally. Okay, so now the name and the age and the address are assigned to the variables. Now we are going to print it. So this is the formatted printing statement, very simple to easy and follow. Now print within double quotes, you have to give all the name of the variable as well as the placeholder. Okay, and here we have name dot name colon, and then we have the curly braces. Curly braces are the placeholders. Okay, this is a different thing. It's new in Python. In more than other languages, this curly braces is used to just to mention a block for if statement or a while statement, but here this curly braces helps to as a placeholder. So name colon placeholder and then backslash n. This slash n will give you the value in the next line. That means first name, the word name will be displayed, and in the placeholder the value of the name is displayed. Then the cursor comes to the next line slash n. Then age colon, again the placeholder. So age, the word age colon will be displayed, and then the placeholder will get the variable name age, and then address slash n will give the next line. So wherever you want the new line to begin, we can use the slash n, that is the formatter. Okay, now then address colon, again the placeholder, this curly braces. Okay, now we have closed. So we need to display name, age and address line by line, so that we are given everything as a formatted in the double quotes. Now it is followed by dot format. So this is the syntax to follow. Whatever variables you want, you just give and all the formatting you need, and then you have to put a dot and then format is the keyword. Within bracket, how many variables you want to use, name, age and address. So all the three variables are given in the order, name, age and address, and the bracket is closed. Okay, so this is the print statement which is going to print the values in the order. And now we are giving the function name personal details. Now this will call the function name. When just to give the value of the function name, that means it's a function call. Okay, as since there is no parameters, it is just calling without any parameter. There is no parameters. Okay, now let us see how this function is going to declare the values. So name Simon, age 19, and then address Bangalore, Karnataka, India. The address is printed. That's all. Very simple and easy to follow. Just as an assignment statement. Now this is the screen where we got the result using the online Python compiler. The program is given in the top screen, and now we are using the split screen option to see the result bottom. So now the result is name Simon, age 19, and the address is given as Bangalore, Karnataka, India. So this is a simple program to just how to assign the variable values and to get the formatted values using the dot format command. So that's all this program. Thanks for watching.